Hey, what's up, guys? We're here again for YouTube Live here at Full Spectrum Laser to do another In the Cut where we watch our laser systems one of the many applications that we can. And today we're actually using a very special laser. We're using our fiber laser, in which we're going to do some marking on some metal. Now, a lot of people ask, what's the best way to mark metal using our CO2 lasers? Well, to be honest with you, the best way to mark metal is with a fiber laser. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, with the CO2 laser, there's many options. You can use Surmark, Thermark, which is actually owned by the same company now, to put a layer on your metal and then essentially create oxidation on that metal using the CO2 laser. With this machine, we're actually going to do some surface embellishment and markings on this really cool coin. So without further ado, we're going to get this set up. Now, the first thing you do with the fiber, which is a little bit neater than other systems, is you can actually put the outline of the vector. This symbol from a galaxy far, far away, but this symbol we're going to put on this gold coin. And what's cool is I can just kind of position the gold coin. It might be a little bit difficult to see on camera, but I'm just going to position the coin how I'd like to see it look with the infrared on it there. Now, as you can see, it's not too clear with the plain eye, but as you can see, the infrared's on there pretty good. And if we just move the coin out of the way, you can see it there on the base plate. So we're just going to get this into position. Now, we've applied a crosshatch to this, so it's going to actually do 3 passes before it does its marking, before it does its final marking on a contour pass. But we'll get going on this right away. Now, one thing to remember is you have to use safety goggles when operating the fiber laser because of the wavelength. But once you got your protection on, your filtration set and ready to go, we're ready to go. So without further ado, let's stop with the sun and let's start marking. So basically, it's doing these second passes here as cleanup passes. Now we go at multiple angles as it's marking along the metal so that we get a little bit better marking. And as you can see here, it's doing its third pass, which is really just cleaning up the first 2 marks we've done. And then you'll see a contour path which goes around the outline at the end. There you have it, guys. As you can see, I'm just going to give that a quick wipe just on my sleeve, but what a great marking there of this now Star Wars Jedi coin. We'll give this to someone who's been extra useful of the Force here at Full Spectrum Laser. But once again, really easy to do with the fiber laser. You get that great outline there to easily put the mark on your material, and you get to wear really cool glasses. I mean, how much better can you get? So if you have any questions about our compact fiber laser systems, make sure you call us here at Full Spectrum Laser. It's 702-802-3100, or give our sales team an email at sales@fslaser.com, and we'll be sure to connect you with the best laser system for your application. Until next time, I'm Nick at Full Spectrum Laser. We'll see you then.
So go ahead. Hi everyone, like the videos? Subscribe to our channel. Think you like the videos? Keep watching, then subscribe to our channel.